Hey, what's up, guys? One quick little update or whatever on my bike build or whatever, I guess. The last video I tried to record was about my new decals and all that I just got, but I don't know what happened, but all the recordings are now gone, so I don't know. Whatever, moving on, I guess. But yeah, here is my new bike, or my bike's new decals. Here they are. I love these things. I think they look so good. I'm so excited for them. One little thing that I'm not crazy about is, as you can see, my whole back end has the color. My front end is just like blue and black and gray and all that stuff. But yeah, I got that. I got the whole front end decals for free from my dealership, and I had to customize those. So that's why there's no color and everything. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do about the front yet, but I'll figure something out. I'll try to make it cool somehow. But yeah, that's what I got so far. And yep, the last video, it got fucked up, like I said. I don't know how, but yeah, here they are. I think they look amazing. I'm super happy how this turned out. And I'll be honest, I did fuck up a little bit. Like, I had to make a cut there because these decals would not fit. Had to make a little cut right there. A little cut right there. Same on this side. But yeah, I fiddled with it for about, I think it was like 6 hours. I used heat gun and all that stuff. They wouldn't work, so I just said, screw it, whatever. I'm just gonna cut it, and you can't even really notice it. So I'm still really happy how it turned out. And another thing is my brother's decals just came in. So as you can see, he is starting to do those now, and he's not in here yet, so I'll just say this. I really don't like the seat cover, the way, like, those are two completely different yellows. Like, I'll grab some of the decals. I'll just grab this. All right, yeah, like that. Those yellows don't match. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but that bugs me. I don't really like that, but whatever. I guess it's not a really big deal. But anyways, for today's video, I'm so excited. Here it is. My FMF package finally came in. So in there, I got my factory fatty and my stickers for my exhaust, like that. Yeah, like the exhaust, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna put those on today, and I'm gonna see how they look. So I'm gonna go do that. Ty's bike is finished now. All the decals are on. He's gonna do this stupid pose. There it is. As you can see, the seat cover looks stupid as hell, but it's not my bike, so I don't really care. I do really like that, though. That's pretty fucking cool. But yeah, there's decals. They're finished. Now, onto my thing. Here it is. The new factory fatty. And I also took my exhaust off because... did you throw out the stickers? Of course you did. Because I got these new stickers to put on there. Okay, this is the wrong one, but yeah, I had to clean this whole thing up, and I tried to clean it as good as I could. So I'm putting these new stickers on, and then I'm going to be putting this new pipe on. And holy crap, this thing looks amazing. So anyways, I'm going to put these stickers on, and I'll be right back.
Okay, I can see you.
He just opened the door by himself. All right, here we go. I think I got that on right. I just pretty much lined up this edge here with the edge. There was no actual direction on how to do that, so I just kind of guessed, but I think that looks pretty good. There we go. Finally got the pipe on, and holy shit, that looks so good. That actually makes a huge difference how good that looks. All right, looking at that, I don't really like that, but they gave me 2 sets of the spare stickers. So what I might do, I might peel this one right off, and I might put the other one on, and I might put this level with the weld like that. And I think that might make it look a lot better. Because right now, I really don't like that. That kind of looks a bit downy. So I'm gonna try to fix that. All right, I just peeled off the old sticker and tried to put it back on, and it's not sticking very well. But that does look a lot better. I'm still gonna save the other ones for when these fall off, but that looks pretty good for now, so that's gonna stay. The other thing that I'm not crazy about is that, like I said, all the back has the color, and then the front is just the blue, and I don't know, that looks kind of funny to me. So I do kind of want to get like the Pro Taper bar pad to go with my bars. I haven't put those on yet, but I want to get the Pro Taper bar pad I might just go with the classic colors because I don't really have, I don't know, anything else I really like that much. But so I'm going to get that. Maybe the FMF logo's there, my whole shot device, and I don't know, but that should be enough to add some color to the front, at least a little bit. And once I get that, I think I might be almost done. So it's going to turn out pretty good. Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, last night when I was out here finishing all that stuff, my phone died, so I never ended up recording the last little bits or anything like that. So I'm coming out here again today, and so what I was thinking about doing was, as you can see up there, there's my brother's 125, and when I got the front end decals or whatever for free from Riverside, I got an extra set for that bike because they thought that was mine. So I said, yeah, I'll take one, whatever, and it's not important, but yeah, I have an extra set of decals. So what I was thinking was, with the FMF, here they are. With FMF, I got the sponsor, and part of it is I have to run these logos on my front fender. But I didn't really want to put those over top of the decals because, I don't know, I just think that might look cheesy. But what I was thinking about doing is I'm going to take that front fender. I already asked my brother, he's okay with it. Take that front fender off. I'm gonna put the middle deck or the side decals on and then leave this off, put the FMF on there, and then I'm gonna put it on my bike, see how it looks. And if I like it, then I might just give him that front fender and I'll get that one, and then we'll just swap or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna try to see how that one looks, and yeah, I guess we'll see. I just finished taking this off, and yeah, now that I take it off, I realize how scratched and beat this plastic is, so I don't know if I really want to switch for my brand new fender. But the new idea I had was I might just put the decals on this one and then just tape the logos on there, see how they look. And if I like it, I might just take this off from my bike, take the middle part off from my bike, and then I'll put the stickers right on there because, yeah, I don't really want to put it on this anymore. But, yeah, whatever. I guess we'll see how that goes. I'm going to go get the decal for that, and I'm going to go put it on, and then I'll be right back. All right, it might have been a little bit tough to see what I was talking about before, but I cleaned it up, and here's a better view. You can really see this fender was, it was beat to shit. Like, this thing is not that great right now. So, yeah, I don't think I want to trade. I'm just going to see how it looks with this one. All right, there we go. Got the decals on. Put the FMF stickers on with some electrical tape, and I don't know yet. I gotta put it on, see how it looks. Yeah, I do kind of like that. I think I'm going to go with that. It does add a bit of color to the front, so I think I'm going to do that. There we go, just like that. There's no going back now. All right, there it is. I'm actually pretty happy with how that turned out. It took me like 20 minutes. But I think I got them like almost perfectly centered. But yeah, I think they're good enough. But that looks pretty damn good, so I'm gonna swap out those fenders now. There we go. Took off the old stickers, put the FMF ones on, back on my fender, and I gotta say, I like that. Like, I'll be honest, it doesn't have as much a design or color as it did before, but I kind of like the layered look to it almost. I don't know what I'm trying to get at, but I do like the way that looks. And it did add some color to the front end, so that looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy about that. All right, now that I am just about done, I'm gonna try and put the whole shot device on today, and hopefully that's gonna work. I finally got that thing on. Now I gotta take the fork right out, or take the wheel off, take the fork out, put the, all right, well, I don't know. It's over there on the table, a little brace on the fork. So now I got to do that. There we go. Got it on. Time to put it back in. I'm in the middle of doing this. I'm almost done, but look how big these fucking snowflakes are. Like, these things are huge. There we go. Got the whole shot device on, and I already checked it, and it works, but I need someone else to help me set it, so I can't really show you guys, but there we go. There it is. My bike is almost done, and holy shit, that looks so good. I am so happy with the way this turned out. All I need now is bars, grips, and bar pad. And I already got my bars waiting. I just need grips and bar pad. and I might change my sprocket. Not really sure yet, but other than that, that's all I'm doing for now, and this thing looks amazing. First, one of my friends ordered a shout out, so go follow, I think it's Caramel on Instagram. Yeah, go do that. And with that, I think that's pretty much it for today. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you guys later.
All these fuck niggas on the line. Damn nigga.